Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the WOMELF folding keyboard piano with 88 keys. This isn't just any electronic keyboard. Its main feature is right there in the name. It folds. This makes it incredibly portable, designed so you can easily carry it around and play whenever inspiration strikes, or wherever you need to practice. It's also mentioned that it's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, which is a nice touch. One of the biggest concerns with portable keyboards, especially folding ones, is the feel of the keys. This WOMELF model claims to address that directly. It features 88 keys, just like a standard acoustic piano, and they are built to a 1:1 scale size. More importantly, the description highlights that the keys are designed to restore the weight, depth, and rebound speed of a grand piano. This is a significant claim, suggesting a much better feel than many lightweight or non-weighted keyboards, aiming to provide a playing experience closer to a real piano, which is crucial for developing proper technique, especially for beginners. The fact that it's built to standard size means it can potentially be used effectively for piano practice, acting as a stand-in when a full-size piano isn't available. Beyond the feel and portability, the keyboard is packed with features. It comes with 128 different sounds, giving you a wide range of instrument voices to experiment with, from pianos and organs to strings and synths. It also includes 128 rhythms, providing backing tracks in various styles to play along with, which can make practice more dynamic and fun. Additionally, there are 20 demo songs built in, which can be great for listening, learning melodies, or just enjoying the instrument's capabilities. These features make it versatile enough for both absolute beginners just starting their journey and more experienced players who need a portable practice instrument or a creative tool. The product description specifically targets beginners, stating that using this electronic piano can make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting. The combination of a full set of 88 keys, the claimed realistic feel, and the array of sounds and rhythms certainly provides a comprehensive package for someone starting out. It's presented as a perfect instrument for piano beginners and the best choice for those pursuing their interests in music. The inclusion of stereo speakers means you can play it out loud without needing external amplification, adding to its convenience as a portable practice tool. Weighing in at 2,500 grams, it's certainly lightweight for an 88-key instrument, reinforcing its portability aspect. Overall, the WOMELF folding keyboard piano aims to bridge the gap between portability and a realistic playing experience, offering a feature-rich option for learners and hobbyists alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.